Healthy vibes, a recipe for.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Joe Chef. Today we're making kimchi jjim with octopus. Jjim means steamed, but in this case it's not steamed. It will be made same as a stew but less water, so we call it a jjim. The taste will be much more potent than your usual kimchi stew. And with the added umami from the octopus, it's gonna taste great. So follow these step-by-step instructions and enjoy. You can use any kind of kimchi that's made out of cabbage, but I would rather use a aged kimchi. Actually, I just bought one from the supermarket that was already aged. But you can use any old cabbage kimchi that's lying on your fridge for months and it will taste even better. Here I have some aged fermented kimchi, it says. This is 7.6 ounce, 500 grams from Jonga. And I have about 300 grams of pork belly sliced. Some cooking oil. Put the kimchi on the side. Almost done. Now I'm pouring some water. This is actually water that I use to wash my rice. We're in for a treat. Today we have an octopus to go with the kimchi. Now I'll close it up. I'm adding in 3 tablespoons of chili pepper. These are fine ground peppers, which help with the color. You can see the color changing. It's much more delicious. Okay, we're gonna let it boil for a while so the soup to get thicker. You don't want so much water here. Okay, because the kimchi is very sour, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar to get rid of the sour taste and bring out more of the umami. Now I'm gonna cut the kimchi and everything up so that you can eat. Let's see what happened to the octopus. Yes. Very soft now. Add in some mushroom and tofu. So here you have it. It looks so tasty. Yummy. Thanks for watching. I sincerely wish that you enjoyed this dish that I have taught you. It is nothing like the ones you can order at a restaurant. All of my recipes are unique and special, which makes it upscale Korean home cooking. Please take the time to like and subscribe to Joe Chef TV and support us for more great videos.